Okay, this is lesson 4.2, and this is talking about solving inequalities. Nice thing about solving inequalities, it's the same as solving equations. So, we're going to use the addition property and the subtraction property of inequalities, which is exactly like the addition properties and subtraction properties of equations. So, this should be pretty simple. So for example 1, solving an inequality using addition, they give us x minus 5 is less than negative 3. We want to get x all by itself. So we were subtracting 5. We'll add 5 to both sides of the inequality. When we add 5 to the left-hand side, minus 5 and plus 5 cancel out, leaving us with x. And we add 5 to the other side, negative 3 and positive 5 gives us positive 2. So x is less than 2. Because it's less than and not less than an equal or equal to, we put an open dot. And if you look at that less than symbol, it looks like an arrowhead pointing to the left. So we draw our arrow to the left. For example 2, solving an inequality using subtraction, they start us off with 13 is less than or equal to x plus 14. Now what I would do is I would turn that inequality around right off the bat. But they solved it first and then they turned it around. So let's solve it first. To get x by itself, we'll subtract 14 from both sides. That leaves us with x all by itself on the right-hand side, and 13 and negative 14 on the left-hand side, which leaves us with negative 1. Negative 1 is less than or equal to x. Now, turn that inequality around. And when you put x on the left-hand side and negative 1 on the right, you do have to turn that symbol around too. So x is greater than or equal to negative 1. The reason it's important to turn it around is because it makes it easier to graph. It's a filled in dot because it is or equal to, and it's pointing off to the right because x is greater than or equal to. And notice, the greater than symbol looks like an arrowhead pointing off to the right, which helps us to remember the arrowhead will be pointing off to the right.